Good afternoon. Standard 10th, subject English. Today we will learn a passage of the lesson 2.6 World Heritage. So I read it, listen carefully and understand it. Read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1 simple factual activities. Name the following. First point, name the following. The place where the conference based on human environment was held. Dash. Second, state parties are elected by the dash. Second point, complete the following sentences. First, the role of World Heritage Committee is dash. Second, the tenure of World Heritage Committee is. And third, the World Heritage Committee consists of dash. So passage number 2, page numbers 76, 77. Shortly thereafter in dash on the World Heritage list up to it. Second question A2, complex factual activities. Read the passage carefully and write the answers of this question. Second question, why did a White House conference in the United States call for a World Heritage Trust? Write the answer of this question 3-4 meaningful sentence. In this question there is second question. Describe the World Heritage Committee from this passage. Next question A3, activity based on vocabulary. Activity based on vocabulary. Write from the passage nouns for the following. Nouns for the following. First, present. Second, protect. 3, convert. Conserve. Fourth, include. Second point, write the list of adjectives from the passage. Minimum, this question is minimum for 2 marks. So, write the adjectives. The next question, A4, activity based on contextual ground. Rewrite the sentence using not only dash but also and as well as in 2 separate sentences. So, sentence, a White House conference called for a World Heritage Trust to protect historical cultural sites and the world significant natural and scenic sites. So, solve this sentence using not only but also. Then next use as well as. Remove not only but also and write use as well as. Second sentence, the state parties are responsible for identifying and nominating new sites. In this sentence also you use not only but also and as well as. When we use as well as in the sentence, at that time you remove the not only but also in the sentence. So there are 2 sentences here. Solve it in your notebook. Next question A5, personal response. Why do you like to visit tourist spots? This is personal response. You write this answer. Answer of this question, minimum 4-5 sentences. Use simple sentences, simple language, and read it again and again to understand. In your notebook as well as in your workbook also you follow in this passage. Now we stop here.